who have seen each and every season of this show, which was conceived many, many years back. And you put all the participants in a kind of a situation, and the other shows are completely different. They are, and इसका एक अलग originality है. And Big Boss आप सब जानते हैं, और मैं उसको pinpoint करने की जरूरत, especially in India, in so many languages. मलयालम में भी है, तमिल में भी चल रहा है, तेलुगु में भी है, हिंदी में भी है.
हाय अनिल सर, निकिता हियर फ्रॉम इंडिया फोरम्स. मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ, आप हमेशा ऐसी चीज़ें करते हो जो झकास होती है, तो बिग बॉस OTT भी कर रहे हो किसी खास रीज़न से. आई वांट टू आस्क यू, व्हाट इज़ दैट वन थिंग दैट सेट्स दिस शो अपार्ट फ्रॉम द अदर रियलिटी शोज?
I think you see, there are few shows in the world which have become hugely successful, and there is something which is very unique. You cannot pinpoint. जैसे कि there is Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, which is not only successful in India but successful all over the world. There are certain musical shows which are very, very successful, and there is Big Boss, which was conceived many, many years back, and there is something which is so different, and it's interactive. And you put all the participants in a kind of a situation in a room. I think that's what the way it was. The seed came into the mind, and the reason everybody loves it is because you see so many things in close quarters, in close-ups. I think that's what is fascinating, and the other shows are completely different. They are, and इसका एक अलग originality है. So I think every show has a certain kind of uniqueness. And Big Boss, कुछ तो इसमें क्या बात है आप सब जानते हैं, और मैं उसको pinpoint करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But it is consumed not only in India but especially in India in so many languages. मलयालम में भी है, तमिल में भी चल रहा है, तेलुगु में भी है, हिंदी में भी है, इतने सालों से चल रहा है और अब भी चल रहा है. तो there are a lot of things which are, there are certain fans who have seen each and every season of this show.